Go to the next Microsoft link to download the tool. Select the download tool now. Open the media creation tool you downloaded. Press Accept. You can uncheck Use the recommended options to select language, then press Next. Select ISO file and press Next. Select the location where you want to save it. Press Finish. You can find the Windows 11 ISO file in the location where you saved it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.